Hi, I'm Susan Waters from Exceeding Joy. Are you crabby? I think sometimes we're all crabby. And a lot of times when we're crabby, it's because there's something going on that is bothering us. And a lot of times we don't even recognize what that is. It's not good, though. It's not good for us to be without that peace and joy, and it's not good for others. Proverbs 21, verse 19 says it's better to live alone in the desert than with a crabby, complaining wife. Now, I think that scripture applies to living with anyone, really, because who likes to live with somebody that's crabby or complaining, or even to be around them? Yet, the way out of being miserable is asking God what's going on in your heart. Just, if you ask Him, He will reveal the situation to you, that maybe someone said something that offended you, and it might have even been a week ago. If we don't deal with issues, they don't go away on their own. So connect with God and ask Him what's going on so that you can deal with it and you can get back into that joyful living. So be blessed, and we'll see you tomorrow.